MJ. So, grabe, galing na bata. At a very young age also, sobrang powerful ng vocals. Ano siya, very, makikita mo sa kanya yung poise, how he stands up on stage, how he performs. Nandun talaga yung, parang para sa kanya yung The Voice eh. Yun yung nakikita ko. Siya rin yung kid na tipong kahit pa years have gone, makikita mong nandun yung vocals niya, nandun yung power. It's not gonna go away basta-basta. Basta wag niyang papabayaan, of course. Pero, yeah, if he keeps on singing, I think he's gonna go really, really far. And, of course, with Coach Julie here,